Hello everyone and good afternoon sa ating lahat. Today is our April na. April na nga pala tayo, no. So, hello. And this is the first trading day for the month of April. Hello sa inyong lahat and good afternoon. And may nakita na ako, actually nag-respond na rin ako dun sa chat session and mukhang marami-rami na rin yung mga nag-join sa atin. So, ayan, hello sa inyong lahat. Okay, so let's have a quick check of our market today. Right now, we are trading at around 6,470 level, no? Up by about 28 points versus last Wednesday, no? Nung last week prior our Holy Week na session. Yan. Although still the value is nasa around 3.4 billion pa rin, manipis, no? Sobrang nipis pa rin niya. Asan na yung ano ko? Ba't nawala? Wait lang ah. Yan. Okay. So, ayun. Kumusta yung mga trades ninyo? May nakapag-trade ba sa inyo today? Napansin ko lumilipad sina si Land, PHES at saka PRMX. Very interesting, no? Kung ano mga nangyayari sa mga stock na yun. Yun. So, hello sa inyo. Sabi ni Holly, pumalo na sa 4, si MPI. Uy, nice. Malapit na, no? So, umatras nga lang siya kanina. Pero this is still a good news, no? Kasi kung mapansin natin, MA200 is still holding na or nag-hold na at least for MPI. Ang maganda lang dito is ma-move niya nga ito, yung presyuhan. Louis ACEN, sige later on check natin ha. Sabi ni Karen dito, sir, do you think po magre-reverse na si MPI? Do I think magre-reverse si MPI? Hindi ko kayang sagutin yan, Karen, no? Kasi as we know, di ba, we don't know kasi kung ano yung mangyayari talaga sa market. So, ang masasuggest ko lang na pwedeng gawin is to mark your own reversal line. So, for example, kay MPI, I can mark itong part na to. Excuse me. Yan. No. Excuse me, medyo nagano ako. And again, yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Itong MA200, this is a good conviction indicator kasi, no? Added confidence doon sa stock. Okay? Again guys, ito lang po, very quick na tip. Sabi ko nga, walang nakakaalam kung ano mangyayari in the future. Okay? So please let's stop trying to identify the bottom dahil hindi po natin makikita yan until it happen. Okay? So for MPI, no, maybe some people would identify this as the bottom, just like me, no? But then again, hindi ko siya alam until nagkaroon ng reversal or until nagkaroon ng bounce, no? So let's stop identifying those kasi hindi nyo makikita talaga yon until they happen. Okay? So ayun lang. Okay. Sige. Let's have a quick look at ACEN, no? Kasi to be honest, ACEN is one of those stock na kaninang umaga ko pa tinitingnan, no? And medyo maganda yung naging for today so far. It's trading at around 739 and nag-break na siya doon sa in-update ko na to kanina, but nawala. Anyways, teka ha. Lilinisin natin siya. Yan. See. Ayan. So, ACEN is one of those stock na inaabangan ko rin. Okay? Inaabangan ko for the purpose of selling. Okay? Ayan. So, kasi sabi ko naman sa inyo, 'di ba, I have ACEN. So, I'm now looking for opportunity to sell. Hindi naman lahat, no? I still plan to hold ACEN at least a number of shares, pero gusto kong mag-take profit na. Technically kasi I can take profit na dito eh. no? Wala na akong problema dito. Actually, kahit na dito umabot pa ako dito, I am totally fine with that kasi malalim yung aking average price. Pero syempre, gusto ko din na makakita ng medyo ma-maximize ko ng kahit pa konti-konti, no, yung stock. Okay, kaya hindi ako masyadong kabado dito kay ACEN kahit bumagsak pa yan. That's why right now I'm now looking for opportunity to sell. Ayan. Okay. Ito medyo interesting itong kay ACEN na nangyayari because of this breakout, no? Paano natin masabi na breakout siya? Well, at least hindi siya breakout on the resistance, no, but breakout on the sideways volume and MA50 line. Okay, kasi kung mapapansin natin dito, the volume is quite high, no? Now, usually ang madalas kong ginagawa dito is backtrack muna ako ng konti, there is a difference between how I do things versus other analysts, no? Masasabi natin mga other analysts dahil wait lang ayan. So, other analysts kasi, they try to identify yung mga stocks na very volatile. And then, doon sila magte-take ng trades. Like for example, what is happening right now with land. So, etong mga klase ng stock, mga parabolic runs, ito yung mga gustong-gusto ng ibang mga analyst. Okay? Why? Kasi syempre, on those volatility, dito ka kasi makakita ng potential for profit. Diba? Yun nga lang kasi the problem with this one is highly speculative yung mga ganitong klase. No? Of course, you can gain as much as 100-200% in a week or two. That's really possible. No? Yun nga lang, again, those are high volume, high risk, super high risk na type of trading, which is hindi ako sanay doon. Okay? So, they try to identify itong mga ganitong klase ng stock and then doon sila papasok. Okay? Now, the difference is, with me, I don't do that. Okay? First and foremost, I don't have time dahil as you know, may pasok ako. Okay? I have a full-time job. Now, the second part is, ayoko kasing ma-stress masyado. Okay? So, what I do instead is, over the weekend, I review yung mga watch list ko. And once ma-review ko yun, I already know. Hindi yung presyo ha. I already know what to do once ma-hit ko yung mga trigger points ko. So kumbaga execution na lang ako. Kumbaga no minimizing emotions and removing all those pwede kaya yung ganito, pwede kaya yung ganyan. Lilipad kaya to? Babagsak kaya to? Wala na sa akin yun kasi I already know what to do. Okay? So let's say for example, ito, si ACEN. ACEN is one of those stock na hawak ko and nasa watchlist ko over the weekend. Okay? So what I plan to do kay ACEN is ganito. Ang range ko sa kanya is between 520 and 942. Okay? However, I can also see a narrower support and resistance. Saan siyang part ito? Yan. Between 650 and 8 pesos. Okay, so what will I do there? Maghahanap na ako ng chance para mag-sell. At 7.33, malapit na siya sa 8 pesos. So that means, at around malapit sa 8 pesos, hindi exactly 8 pesos ha. I'm looking at it at around 750 even or 780. No? Once ma-reach ko na yon, I'll partially sell. Okay? Why will I do that? Number one, I need to take profit. And number two, in preparation, kasi despite the fact na 942 yung resistance ko dito, I also respect yung 8 pesos wherein several of those candles have already retraced from that level. Okay? So, ayun. That is my thought process. At the same time, I have my 650 backup in case na mali ako. Pag bumagsak yan ng 650, then I'll also sell. Okay? So, ayun, laging ganon. I have my cut loss price, I have my target price. So, ganon umiikot yung mindset ko. No? And I already know what to do. Weekend pa lang. So that, ang gagawin ko na lang, check, pumasok na ba yung trigger points ko? If yes, execute. If not, stay away or hold. Okay? So, ganon. Ganon lang yung gagawin ko dito. Ayun, for those who are asking about ACEN, that will be my plan. Ayan, so it's already 12:41, no? Hello sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. And welcome dito sa ating end of day na discussion. So, before we move on and wait, no, siguro I'll just try to share. May nagtanong na rin dito kanina. Napansin ko na yun. Okay. Ayun, sabi ni Kamatis man dito about MWC. Kung untog na daw ba si MWC? Actually, hindi pa naman masyado, no? Pero I'll like to, ito na yung sinasabi ko before, with MWC, that's why very interesting siya for me, no? And in fact, nasa watchlist ko rin itong si MWC. Okay? Pero that watchlist is just for me to monitor. I really have no plans on trading MWC this week. Okay? So, with MWC, may lumabas na saan ba yun? Yun. Ito na nga ba yun? Ayan. Okay. So, yung revised concessionaire agreement nila have been signed by MWSS and MWC. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko nung nakaraan na excuse me, ganun na naman yung boses ko. Ayan. So, ayun, no, ito yung sinasabi ko nung nakaraan na in the coming days or weeks, makikita na natin yung signed agreement ni MWC and ng government. And ito na nga yun, ang nangyari. So, it's earlier than I have expected, and still, it's a good thing, no? So, basically, what this is if you recall, guys, noong late 2019, nagkaroon ng issue between President Duterte and the water concessionaires, no, MWSS and Maynilad. So, on that, nagkaroon ng sinilip yung naging previous contract ni nung dalawang company na yon. And given na maglalapse na yung kanilang contract, so nagkaroon ng threat, no? So some sort of threat. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari doon actually kay kay MWC. Yan. So December, dito nga ba yan? Parang dito yata yan. Ayan. Etong part na to noong nung mag-e-end of 2019, alam ko ditong part yun or 2018 pa siya. Hindi ko na maalala. But basically 18 or 19, no. Doon pumutok yung issue sa agreement nila. And because of that, nagpa-review. Okay, nagpa-review ng contract para doon sa next stage ng renewal ng concessionaire agreement. And ayun, after 2 to 3 years, finally nagkaroon na ng final agreement yung dalawa after several back and forth na changes doon sa contract. And ngayon, etong part na to is ayun na. Yan. So finally, no, meron na sila. Now, kung mapapansin natin kung ano nangyari kay MWC. Yan. So leading towards that, nakita natin si MWC umaangat na, no? Kasi marami ng mga analysts or at least marami na nakakatunog na this will happen. Okay? And then kanina finally nilabas na. Yun nga lang, nakita natin medyo bumaba si MWC, no? So with this one, there's a good potential or there is a good potential na ito ay nagkaroon na ng sell on news. Okay? Now, how it will affect MWC? It will affect them big time. no? But on the positive side na, finally. Kasi again, yun lang naman talaga yung hinahanap eh. Diba? Now, does that mean MWC will go back to its anong tawag doon? Threat na level, which is nasa around 20 pesos? I hope so. I hope so. Okay? But again, since hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari in the future, we just have to make some trading plan kung if we try to do that. No? Now, for example, for me, ang gagawin ko sa kanya is aabangan ko yung 17 pesos. Dito ako mag-aabang. I know at 16 pesos very attractive na siya, no? But then again, kasi ako being a conservative trader, I always try to look for where the confidence of the market is already at. And at this point, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Although I understand na MA200 and MA50 is already there, the mere fact na merong threat dito sa resistance at 17 pesos, I'd like to see this na ma-break muna before ako papasok. Okay? So ayun, that is my thought process on trading MWC eventually if ma-break niya yan. Now, kailan mangyayari yun, I don't know then. Pwedeng today, pwedeng tomorrow, next week, or kung kailan man. But the important thing there is I know already kung kailan ako papasok. Okay? So, ayan. Silipin ko yung mga ibang mga nag-comment dito. Say John Bill. Okay. So, I think nasagot ko na to, John Bill, no? Eric for MG. Etong kay MG kasi, if we recall, di ba nagkaroon nito ng disclosure din na nakaraan wherein it plans to sell its shares to one of its subsidiary. No? Kasi gusto niyang mapalaki yata yung anong subsidiary niya na yun, kalimutan ko na. But yun yung pinakakwento. Now for MG, again, since malapit na siya doon sa resistance ko at 38.50 or 38.55, then I'd like to muna sa kanya. I'll continue to monitor this, Eric, no? Kasi again, the mere fact na malapit na siya doon sa part na yon, then that means there is a potential na magkaroon ng untog. Okay? So, baka magkaroon ng untog to dito. So, ingat lang. Sabi naman ni Jan, dito, boring. Actually, oo. Magkano na si dito ngayon? 10.24. Ala. Ano pa rin siya? But at least, no? Above 10 pesos. That's good. Kahit pa paano. So, hayaan lang natin yung si dito na mag-iikot-ikot dyan sa part na yan. Ang problema naman kasi kay dito is that may lumabas din na isang report which is ito, no? I was just looking at this one kanina. And ito nga. So, dito Telecom's launch beset by technical issues. Ano yung mga technical issues na na-identify? Kasi ganito, nagkaroon ng isang technical group wherein sila yung nag-review, no? Ito yung si democracy.net.ph. It is an ICT advocacy group na binigyan ng parang assignment ng Senate para i-assess yung commercial launch ni dito. Okay? And based doon sa mga naging findings nila, they have questioned yung start ng operations. Number one is kung bakit daw nasa countryside lang. And number two is of course yung mga technical issues. Like for example, yung launch was only limited to a number of smartphones. Okay, so because of that, I'm not sure na kung anong gagawin pa ng Senate dito based on that feedback coming from democracy.net.ph na group. So we'll have to find out, no? And I think that is also contributing why dito is moving that slow at a very slow pace, no? On the positive note though, technical wise, mas okay na maging slow muna si dito kasi again, mahaba na rin yung naging paglipad niya. So it has to rest kahit paano, no? So we'll have to see how it goes. But if let's say for example, wala akong hawak na dito, I would have to be very cautious, no, if papasok ako sa kanya. Yan. Oh, okay, sorry. So it's already 10:50 na pala, no. Silipin natin, no, kung ano ang nangyari sa market today so far. Yan. Kanina pala may nagtanong about MM. Sige, silipin natin mabilisan si MM ano nangyari. Okay, so MM closed at 5.46 or plus 0.36 or 37, which is quite nice, no, kahit paano. On the technical side, ano nga pala ulit yung kwento nito ni dito? Ayun, okay. So, ayun. So far, malapit na siya doon sa 580 katulad ng KMG, which is ito yung kanyang ito yung resistance ko for MM. So kapag ganito, again, I'll look na lang ako, magmo-monitor, no. I'll monitor kasi itong week na to na ginawa niya kanina. Medyo kabado ako diyan dahil baka ano na yan, baka sign of weakness na for the stock. Okay? But then again, since hindi ko pa alam kung ano mangyayari dyan, I'll have to wait, no? So maybe by tomorrow or Wednesday, kung halimbawang lumapit pa siya dyan sa 580, then I will consider partially selling. Okay? Na kung gusto ko talaga si MM, then antayin ko lang siya mag-breakout. So, pagka kunwari, nakapagbenta ako dito, then, ang gagawin ko na lang, pag na-breakout sa pullback, nag-hold yung 580, then, I'll just buy back. No? So, ganun yung gagawin ko. Kasi ang ganda ng 580, oh. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba? Nag-hold siya noong, kailan ba to? November to December na period. Same thing sa 814, no? Sa top. So doon talaga siya naglalaro. Tapos nung nabasag na siya dito, 450 naman. Bihira lang tayo makakita ng mga ganung klase ng chart wherein talagang kitang-kita mo or napakalinaw, no, kung nasaan yung support and resistance. So let's try to take the opportunity na i-trade yung mga ganitong klase ng stock. Kaysa naman yung mga very erratic or very volatile na mga stocks na minsan may maanong ka lang. No. Yan. Now, what are the most of the advantage ng isang clear na stock? Well, the main one is mas maraming tao nakakakita ng part na yon, mas maraming tao yung magpo-push ng presyo, no? Either magpo-push kung nasa support, pwedeng iangat, or kung nasa resistance, pwedeng doon mag-take profit. Okay? So, those are just very rare na opportunities that we can see. So, I hope you can appreciate and take opportunity sa mga ganitong klase ng mga stock. No? Ayan. Okay, so sabi ni Holig din dito, kakapalo lang ng 4, then bilang nag-sell off. Yung kay MPI kanina, oo nga, actually. ACEN, yep, na-check ko na si ACEN. Hello Mavic, good afternoon. Eto, sinagot ko na rin siya. Hindi pa naman. Kasi it's, isang candle pa lang eh. Diba? I would look at it siguro mga 2 to 3 more candles. I know it's quite late, pero still, again, yun yung challenge to us. How to manage yung mga emotions natin na biglaan nakakita lang tayo ng nag-drop ng konti, we take it to na agad na, kasi ganito, sige, kita ko sa'yo ha. MPI ba yan? Ayun, okay. So, for MPI, no, we can consider this. Okay, sige, let's take this one as the reversal. MWC pala, sorry. Ayan, okay. So, we can look at it as untog dahil nga nauntog na siya, no? Same nung kahapon or nung last Wednesday at 16:10 around sa ganung area. Or another theory is baka naman pullback lang to. Nag-take profit lang talaga yung mga tao na nakabili dito sa part na to. And then once mag-pullback, then hopefully, no, the next few candles makita na natin siya na aangat ulit. Okay? So, ayan. That's why ang sabi ko kanina is that for MWC, it's too early to tell kasi isa pa lang. Nagkaroon pa lang ng isang red candle. No? I know it's green pero because nasa baba yung malaking chunk niya, I still consider that as a potential pullback. So it could be untog, it could also be tawag dito, untog or pullback. Okay? So we'll have to see kung ano mangyayari sa kanya. And that's why it's important you have your entry, exit, cut loss levels. Ayan. I can't stress enough yung mga parts na yun. Ayan. So sige, let's have a quick check. So PSEI right now is at 6,495. Lumalapit na sa 6,500 level, no, na nakikita ko as a resistance for our index with a value turnover of about 4.54. So mababa pa rin. Foreign, we are still net foreign sell. So 232 versus 205 billion. Okay, so manipis pa rin tayo, no, for this part. Why? Actually, I was expecting, last week, sabi ko, baka ngayong week, magpapasok yung mga traders. No? Yun nga lang, over the weekend, in-announce naman na yung lumalaking number of COVID cases natin, plus the fact na extended yung NCR plus bubble, sabi nila, ganon. So, with that, then, yeah, my take is at least for today, the traders are still on the fence, on the sideline, still trying to monitor, no, kung ano ang gagawin ng market. That's why manipis pa ang ating index or ang ating market for today. Okay, now on the stat side, we can see here top gainer biglang umangat. Uy, ano tong si GPH? Pero wala for trades lang yan. And then yung mga na-mention ko kanina, no? So we have Primex, Land, and PHES na mukhang pinaglalaroan. Okay? Now, bakit nang paglalaroan itong mga ganitong stock? Again, boredom. Ang tingin ko dyan, boredom. No? Bored yung mga tao kasi walang kumbaga, pag nasa sidelines kasi, ang konti lang ng pwedeng opportunity. So, some short-term traders are now looking for stocks na pwedeng, alam mo yun, merong volatility, makakasakay, and pwedeng pagkakitaan. Okay? Now, if you are a newbie trader, then my advice is mag-monitor ka na lang muna. Okay? Monitor, pag-aralan kung ano ginagawa ng mga traders. Diba? So that next time around, pwede ka makasabay or at least makapag-try. Diba? Now, if you are an experienced trader, then this is the time now to try to test, diba? Test the waters. See if kaya mo talaga ang mga ganitong klase ng stocks. I've already done it several times before. Hindi siya naging successful fully para sa akin. No? So that's why I still do that from time to time pero hindi masyado. No? On the worst losers naman, we can find here, ALHI down by 13%. Kaso nga lang, isang trade lang. Volume 100. Nihaw, OVPAX, MRSGI. Nag 130 na. Teka. MRSGI. Silipin ko lang saglit sabi ko. So down siya from here on, no. Yun nga lang, mas gusto ko siya makita at 125 to be honest. No. As I mentioned before, MRSGI is one of those stock na I still find as undervalued, no. Dahil kumbaga this is one of those COVID proof na stock because again, maganda yung earnings nila plus the fact na groceries yung kanilang product line. Okay. So, ayun, wala. lots. Now, just to give you a heads up, kanina I made 2 trades. So, nag-buy ako ng dalawang stock. Isang nag-add lang ako for today. Tapos isa naman na new stock naman na binili ko for target ko is 1 to 2 weeks. No? So, wala lang. I just try to see kasi na pumasok na siya dun sa trigger point ko eh. So, ayan. Now, let's try to check, no? Sabi ni Well said SCC. Ano nangyari kay SCC? Si SCC ay may dividend, no? So, by April 6, April 7 yata ang kanyang ex-date. No? So, right now, 13:56. Okay. So, nagkakaroon na ng tight consolidation dito, no? Between 1340 hanggang 1370. Oh, it's already 1:02 na pala. Hindi ko napansin yung oras. Ayan. So, wala. Medyo boring pa tong kay SEC as of now. For me. Pero again, if you are looking for dividend plays, then yeah, SEC is a good bet. No, especially kung on a long term kasi si SEC consistent yan na nagbibigay ng dividends. Ayan. Silipin ko pa ha. Ano ba yung mga nandito? Very quickly lang. Ayan, si Agent Disaster TBGI. Okay, TBGI, ang ganda nung chart na nakita ko sa kanya kanina kasi nasa support. No? Ang gusto ko lang na makita kay TBGI again is a candle, no, na masasabi natin na pa-reverse na siya. So, ano yung candle na yon? I call that as the confirmation candle, no. So, where do I want to see that? Above 0.45. Dito, no. So, kapag nagkaroon ng candle dito na 0.45 above that, then very interesting na siya. No? Yun nga lang kasi ngayon, it's going on a sideways pa. So, I'll just have to wait, no, kung halimbawa gusto ko i-trade si TBGI. Okay. APX. Oh, nice. So, parang kay TBGI din tong si Apex Mining, no? However, juice, no? Again, low value stock. Medyo alanganin, no. Pero on the chart wise, ano na siya, medyo magandang tingnan, no. I'd like to see another candle here above 1.147. So hopefully mag-close ng around 150. Tapos at 150, that can give me about, maliit lang pala yung upside. Ayun lang. For low value stock, tapos maliit lang yung upside, no, pass ako sa ganun. BDO, ano nangyari kay BDO? Elizami, nagko-consolidate pa rin ito si BDO. Pero at least the good thing though is 100 pesos. No? So 100 yung nakikita kong immediate support, no. Technically my support and resistance is 85 hanggang 114. Pero we also have to respect yung 100 pesos kasi kung mapansin natin, doon nagkakaroon din ng mga reversals. Diba? So we have to respect yung 100 pesos at least, no. Yun nga lang, with that 100 pesos kasi ang problema ko now is the upside kasi ang liit na lang niya. What, 14 pesos o 14%? Diba? So you have to think, no, kung is this worth the time, your time, kung kailan nandito yung pera mo. Ayan. Okay. Siguro yun lang muna sa ngayon, no. Very quickly lang naman itong ating end of day market recap. Basically, we just reviewed yung mga nangyari sa market natin today where we saw where pinag-usapan natin si MWC kanina, yung nangyari dun sa concessionaire agreement. We also checked dito. We also tried to look at land PHES. So, land, nag-close siya at 65. Meron ng long week dito. PHES. Nice. Okay. So, itong kay PHES, doon sa mga may hawak ingat or monitor in the next coming days kasi critical itong 0.75. Kapag itong 0.75 na basag, then it's a good okay yon. Okay? Pero pag itong 0.75 na untog, then it's not so good. Now, I'm looking at a potential formation dito ng cup and handle. Okay? So, cup and handle, potential lang I'm not saying na it will happen kasi hindi ko talaga alam. Ayan. So, basta ingat lang din. 0.75 is a critical one for PHES. Okay? At the sign of weakness tomorrow, kung meron akong hawak na PHES, I'll sell. Buy up na lang ako kung sakaling mag-breakout and mag-pull back. Diba? And then si Primex naman, hindi ko, again, yung mga to hindi ko alam kung ano ang catalyst. I really have no idea. No? But for Primex, sorry medyo in-extend ko lang ng konti kasi I know very hot yung topic ng mga to kanina or at least today. Ayan. So, kay Primex, diba, nabasag na itong 228 with a relatively good volume. So, that means this is a breakout candle. Okay? So, nasaan yung next na support ko sa, next na resistance ko for Primex? That is on the 3 peso mark. Actually, 3 or 3.4. I was talking at around 3 pesos pala siya. Okay, 3 pesos. So, medyo malapit na. Actually, ando doon din yung 1.618. So 3 pesos. Okay? Ayan. Lang. So, very quick lang na review natin, di ba? And then, don't worry, later on, we'll have our Stock Kwentuhan Monday edition. So, I hope to see all you guys mamayang gabi. Again, where we try to review, pag-uusapan natin lahat ng mga nangyari today and plus yung mga other topics na gusto nyo pag-usapan and then mga stock request pa rin. Okay, so 8 PM yun, mamayang gabi kita-kits tayo. Ayan, so yun lang muna sa ngayon guys, maraming salamat for tuning in. I hope you have learned something dito sa market natin. So ayun, thank you everyone, have a great day ahead and kain tayo ng lunch. Bye!